Welcome back to my channel. My name is Toni Frum. In today's video, we're going to be organizing under my kitchen sink, which as you can see is a huge hot mess and full of way too much stuff. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of organizing under my kitchen sink. I'm going to start with showing you what's underneath the kitchen sink, then I'm going to take everything out from under the kitchen sink, then I'm going to clean it, and I'm going to slowly put everything back in. I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. I love to clean and organize, and this is a project I was really excited to tackle and take care of once and for all. If you like cleaning, organization, and motivational type content, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you here. So this is what my under the sink area looked like at the start of this project. This disaster, hot mess, hot mess is what it started as. I couldn't find anything. I had tons of extra cleaning supplies that I wasn't even using, empty bottles, you name it. Toothbrushes I used for cleaning, rubber gloves, dishwashing packs, garbage bags, and boxes of flea and tick and heartworm medicine for my dogs, just stacked haphazardly, along with sponges, other cleaners, and just empty boxes. It was a real disaster, and it was a project that honestly I had just been putting off because I had no idea how I was going to organize it, especially with the pipe configuration under my kitchen sink and the huge garbage disposal, making it almost impossible to fit any drawers underneath my sink. I'm going to start with removing the paper towel holder that's in the way. Then I'm going to take everything from underneath the kitchen sink that's not attached. I'm going to remove it and get it completely out of the way so that I can clean under the sink.
Sometimes I don't know where to go. Oh, he's my sunshine and my headache, but I keep coming back for more. So scary to admit that I'm falling for you while looking in your eyes. And there is nothing that I wouldn't do. I keep trying to break through, 'cause he got me so high, just watching him, time flies, make love to him daytime.
I wanted to show you a close-up of the under the sink area that I'm working with. As you can see, there are tons of water lines, pipes for the sink, there's a huge garbage disposal unit, and there's just not a lot of room for drawers and storage systems to organize this. But never fear, I do have a plan in place, and I found some great systems and containers from the Container Store that work so great, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. But before I start organizing this space, I'm first cleaning everything underneath the kitchen sink. It actually looks pretty clean on camera, but it actually has a lot of dust, which I'm surprised considering the amount of stuff I had down there to begin with. I'm using a Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray in the Acorn Spice scent, and I'm just wiping it down with a cloth and getting it nice and clean before I start organizing it.
Can't get enough. Yeah, he got me so high, just watching him, time flies, made love to him daytime. I can't get enough, 'cause it's you that I love, I got to have it, you that I yearn for. So why you wanna let this go?
And if you're new to my channel, this is Charlie. She's our German Shepherd puppy who's almost 11 months old, and she makes frequent appearances in all of my videos.
I got to have it, you that I yearn for. So why you wanna let this go? You say I'm shady, what do you mean, boy?
I'm going to start with organizing all of my dog supplies that I have to store under my kitchen sink. I'm taking my boxes of flea and tick medicine and heartworm protection, and I'm putting all of them into this tall container with a lid.
I try to figure out what's on your mind. If I could, I would give you the whole world. Just let me get close to you tonight, 'cause he got me so high, just watching him, time flies, make love to him daytime. I can't get enough. Yeah, he got me so high, just watching him, time flies, make love to him daytime.
Now I'm taking another one of these tall containers, just like the one I used for my pet medicines, and I'm putting all of my dishwashing packs into it and placing it right in front of the other container under the sink. So for the left side underneath my sink, I have those two containers. Then I place the garbage bag roll there, and then I put a Lazy Susan turntable right next to it. And on that Lazy Susan, I'm putting all of my frequently used things. So I'm putting antibacterial spray and wipes, and I'm also going to I try to output my Goo Gone there, and I decide that's not a great place to put it because I don't use it every day. But I do decide to put my Jet Dry there because I use that very frequently. And for the right side underneath my sink, I'm actually using fridge organization containers. Yep, you heard that right, fridge organization containers. One of them has a divided spot and it has two handles, and I'm going to use that to put some of my big cleaners in, like my Pine Sol. And then the other two are stackable and they have drawers, and I'm going to use those to organize my sponges and scrubs, magic erasers, and stuff like that.
You got me so high, just watching them time flies, make love till one daytime. I can't get enough, 'cause it's you that I love. I got to have it, you that I yearn for. Why I wanna let this go. I got to have it, you that I yearn for. You wanna let this go. I got to have it, you that I yearn for. Why I wanna let this go. I got to have it, you that I yearn
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fun.
These are all my empty boxes that I've cleaned out in empty containers. My dog, Charlie, again. Hi, Charlie. And all the extra plastic containers that I got from the sink that I ended up not using. The under the sink organizational system is still going strong. It's been a week now, and I'm absolutely loving it. It's working so well. I can find everything. I love opening this up every day. and it's working out so well. I have all the animal stuff back there in that bin. That's the heartworm medicine and flea and tick that they get once a month. So I put it in the back because I only need to access it once a month. Dishwashing tablets, obviously I access those much more frequently, so they're in the front. Garbage bags, and then on my turntable I have Jet Dry, and then I have 3 different disinfectants, and I have Wyman glass cooktop cleaner that works really well. And then in the drawers, I have different things. In the top drawer, I'm just gonna pull it out all the way. I have all different types of sponges. I have some walnut sponges from Grow Collaborative. I have some Norwex ones. I have some regular sponges, some scrubbies. I have a Scrub Daddy. Lots of scrubs. Oops. Then in the bottom drawer, I have magic erasers, a scraper, 2 toothbrushes I use for cleaning, and a pair of rubber gloves. And then I have this large bin. This is a spray that has an enzyme cleaner for dog accidents. Pine Sol I used to clean my floors. Then I have Wyman stainless steel cleaner. I have a room deodorizer. I have a baking soda cream cleanser. I have a Gooby Gone, which I love. And then I also have some Dawn. And then this solution that I use to degrind my coffee maker. It's a descaler. And a brush. And then I also keep my 2 sink stoppers in here too. So I will show you how those go back. This goes here. This goes here. And then my sink stoppers just sit right in front. But it's working really great. And this turns and everything. I hope you enjoyed this under the sink organization video today. If you like this video and you like content like this, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe below. Also, don't forget to leave a comment. If you like content like this, let me know if you'd like to see more of it. Thanks. Have a great day.